So yes, our 100 children do. Y'all know how it is. Y'all did with me. So 100 children go, I know this shit was going on. Well, look who I done find right there at Chatham County this morning, Brother Kwame Shaw, at the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. We just get back from Barbados, join up right here with Dead Clean, the African Spirit, the #1 doctor, Amir Jamal Tariq, and things like that. And let me let y'all know something. When y'all hear me to crack my teeth and call him Dr. Amir Jamal Tariq, he do not have honorary doctorate. He have actual doctorate. So let me get that clear. See how he getting love? See how he getting love from when we commissioners and all the children were coming in and things like that. They all coming because we getting ready to go up in this county council meeting. Forget this year, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Proclamation and things like that. But if 100 children come into Savannah, Savu, as we call him, he got Dead Clean Journey tours. So he getting ready to take the people around so they know what the truth is down here. But I wanted to crack my teeth with him before we go up here and get this proclamation for the Gullah Geechee Nation one more year. Dr. Tariq, what's going on?
Hey, it's us, it's life. It's Queen right here, Brother Kwame right here. And again, you see the dynamics that, again, Savannah acknowledging our culture, our history, understanding. We don't acknowledge it, but we know it. We put it in their face. We put it in your face. You understand? We ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
We've been here from the beginning of time. We'll be here to the end of time.
And it is.
Because we are the children of God.
Yes, it is. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Yes. Gullah mean people blessed by God. So tell us this. Now, I know you grew up right here in this city. A lot of the people from the Gullah Geechee Nation off the Sea Islands moved into Savannah, lived in Yamacraw. But tell us some of the other areas of Savu where you find the Gullah Geechee and things like that. I know it's Frog Town. I know it's a bunch of places. Go on, give me a little roll call.
You got Frog Town. You got Tatumville, you got Cam Park, Jackson Park, you got Kyla Brownsville, you got Cane Break, you got Geechee Town, you got Tremont Park, you got Thunderbolt, you got Montgomery, Sandfly, Grimble Point, Isla Hope, you got Monty, you got Bloomingdale, you got Port Wentworth, you got Rosenut Hill, you got Hazard County, Lovers Lane. Y'all know that. We got East Side, we got East Savannah, we got Wilmington, we got
Pinpoint.
Little small of us. We threw out Pinpoint. Everybody threw out Pinpoint.
Everybody threw Pinpoint.
But then we have a little small of us, a little bit of us right there on Coxwell Island, and also what we know is Tappy Island.
Yes.
All of this right here. It's about 19 communities right here.
Right
in
here.
this area.
And then Aunt Hutchinson Island at one time had some of we on there too.
Wait a minute. I gotta get my county commissioner right in here.
Go ahead. Oh, he's rolling on me. He's rolling on me. He's rolling on me.
How you doing, Madam Queen?
I'm doing well, so going in there.
How you doing, my friend?
Going in there with the brothers.
How you doing, my friend?
You see that? We getting all kind of love right there.
I apologize for interrupting.
No, you good. You good.
But I'm here.
This is
There it is.
This is our county commissioner.
Yeah.
This is the county commissioner right here.
He showed up right in time for roll call.
Good job.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Jay.
you, Madam
I
Queen.
need your
I'll
fast.
see y'all upstairs.
All right. See that? See, y'all think we be the play. We ain't playing. See, that's real. That's real love right there.
That's right.
You see what I'm saying? When people see you on site and know who you are, you know you're doing some work. Go ahead, Doc.
That's right. I was saying that's it. That to me, that topped it off right there.
And it.
We saw Alderman Van Johnson come and give a little acknowledgement
Yeah.
right here. He took the young youth upstairs. But then here go Commissioner Jones coming in here, and he's one of the most active people in Chatham County on the political scene.
Excellent.
And he understands about looking out for the people.
There it is.
The people, for the youth,
Yeah.
the middle age,
Yeah.
and the elders. That's
Yeah.
That's why I was so honored the fact that he came and I said, come on in here.
Yeah.
Again, and he represents communities of Gullah Geechee people on the southern end of the city. Again, they don't want to acknowledge like Coffee Bluff,
Okay.
Rosedew,
There we go.
Nicholson Borough,
There we go.
Twin Hill,
There
City
we go.
Road.
Come on with
And that these people right here, some of them came from Sapelo.
Yeah.
Some of them came from St. Catherine Islands,
Yeah.
County.
Yeah.
So that's why we tell Gullah Geechee people, you won't try to isolate just on a certain area.
Ain't no such a thing.
Sometimes we came from Amelia Island.
For true.
Sometimes we came, and then we brought from St. Simon's Island.
For
taken
true.
them to Carolina.
Yes,
So
there you go.
So some of them in Carolina got to come back to Georgia.
And it.
Then go back to
Then go back there.
So down in Florida, they got to understand, we got to leave from South Carolina, then go on down
There
back
it
to
is.
Africa.
There
So
it is.
that's our story. We are one people.
And it.
The flag represents that.
That's
one
it.
people.
Yeah.
Always. God's anointed people.
Come on.
That's
right.
we. That's us.
That's
Just
who
like
we be.
Just like we made that trip just now. We in Beatles.
And
So
it.
you know we got them down there in Beatles too.
And it.
Mhm.
And like they say,
I'm going to say this right here.
go ahead.
Bajans think they're better than all of we.
Oh, here we go. You see Bajan family, you see the fight continuing.
See the Bajans think they're better than the Trinity. The Trinity think they're smarter than all of these.
Oh, see
The
this.
Bajans think they're harder
Trini,
than
y'all
all of
know we
we.
love y'all. Do you know y'all love?
Gullah Geechee, the Bajans said we the babies of them.
That's what they said for truth. Now they did say that. They did say that.
And
We been there.
they said, Jama, we the oldest of all.
That's what they said for true.
We the oldest of all.
All right.
Y'all just just step back.
I'm sorry, I can't disagree with the brother on
Did
that
you
one.
hear that? You hear? I telling you now.
can't disagree with him on that one.
Listen, because y'all getting the doctors run down that line that you start in Carolina, you go to Georgia, you go to Florida. Well, Barbados do one up here because they say they bring we from Barbados to Carolina, so they kind of got you there. They got you there now. They got you there. But all of we the one anyway. You know, the Gullah Geechee diaspora go to all the islands and things like that. Go out to Texas, go out to Mexico, go out to Oklahoma. We love you and things like that. Because as y'all see, we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. One tree, one family, one love. Peace and blessing. Now, let me go get this proclamation.
Next, we have a proclamation, and I see the Queen has arrived, so we can proceed with this proclamation. And we have a proclamation declaring July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And Queen Choir is present to accept the proclamation. I'm going to read a portion of it, and then I'm going to go down and present a framed copy of this proclamation to the Queen, and for members of the Commission who wish to join me in presenting this framed copy, please feel free to do so. Whereas Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans from various ethnic groups of West and Central Africa that were brought to build Chatham County and numerous small areas of the coastal empire wherein Gullah Geechee people still reside. And whereas the islands of Ossabaw, Hutchinson, Tybee, and beyond, as well as areas such as Yamacraw, Sandfly, Frogtown, Pinpoint, became the home of these African people who came to be known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the largest enslavement auction in one day in the country came to be known as the Weeping Time. However, in spite of this crime against humanity, the Sea Island caused many strong and world-renowned Gullah Geechee to grow from its soil, such as founders of the historic churches in Chatham County, as well as Liberia. And whereas 20 ministers held a historic meeting in Savannah, the Chatham County, Georgia, and the Union Secretary of War, Edwin M. Stanton, and Major General William T. Sherman, leading to a land ownership, self-sufficiency, and sustaining of Gullah Geechee culture. Whereas Queen Quat, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechee, established the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition on historic St. Helena Island in South Carolina to continue this work to sustain Gullah Geechee culture and land ownership. And as chairman and on behalf of the entire Chatham County Commission, we do hereby proclaim July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Chatham County, and support the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan to protect our coast and to keep Gullah Geechee culture heritage alive. Queen, would you join me at the podium?
Yes, sir.
Can you? I was about to ask if I was about to ask you if you knew that members of this commission was claiming you as family.
Antidote. That one there especially. He ain't gonna let none of the rest of y'all do it. He do it.
Well, you may have to interpret your remarks
Oh, for this city?
for the members of
And
the
then you
youth
tell them
commission
that,
who are here.
look at it, you better catch on and things like that there. They catch on everything else. Okay. What's going on, killer? How you? Antidote. They wish they could. Please, how you doing? Good to see you. I know it's on the move back here. Antidote, not long ago. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Glad to be back here in Chatham County and things like that one more again. And y'all lay on stand, the chairman tried to be slick and tried to blame him on the children, say I have to translate by the crack with he say he want me to translate them for him. But him blame him on them. Okay. I want to give one of greetings on behalf of Dr. Mary Marguerite too. He been here in the building, but he going on tour now, taking people around in the city, but make some more money for that millage rate and the ear tax and all the things y'all doing, the anti-budget for the city. So we're so glad to be here one more again and things like that. I'm glad to see my family one more again and things like that. Every year I come here as a family reunion. So I want all of y'all, but that are my cousins there for sure. Okay. So yes, it is a blessing once again to be here in Chatham County and to celebrate with you. Now we moving close, Chairman, to the 10 years. So I'm gonna want one of them boxes at a couple of meetings coming up in the future here. We're getting close to 10 years that I've been toiling and working here with y'all, with this commission, with receiving this every year. And it is extraordinary to be in Savannah, cracking me teeth like this year. Because when I first started coming to Savannah, in a public arena, no one wanted to admit they were Gullah, Geechee. They would act very demure here. But if you got them underneath the oak tree in the park out yonder, they would have said, yeah, you not here from Boston till you bring me anything from home? All right, where you say home? Out the country. So y'all would like to call over in South Carolina and down in the southern parts of Georgia out in the country, as if this was the metropolis. So it is a blessing to be back in this part of the Gullah Geechee Nation that y'all call the Coastal Empire. And of course, if there's a queen, you know, you need a queen in the empire, right? And so it's a blessing to be welcomed back. It's a blessing to be here to celebrate who we be. And so every year, folks come out to numerous events. I hope this year y'all will join us in many of them. And if you want to keep up, because we have a plethora of events up and down the Gullah Geechee Nation's coast for this year. So if you want to keep up, follow at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, or GullahGeecheeNation.com. That way you'll know all the events that are here in Chatham County, the ones in South Carolina, the ones in Florida, and so on. I just got back from Barbados as of Sunday. And so I definitely bring you greetings from our family there as well. This was our first Gullah Geechee official homecoming back to Barbados since they said every teeth we had thrown young in Carolina and now spread out overseas with the Gullah Geechee now. And so I definitely wanted to bring you greetings back on behalf of their government to your government. Because at first they told me I had to be here Monday morning. I was like, Lord, it's only because I love Chatham County. I'm going to try to get up there early to get there that Monday after flying back Sunday night. But then they said, sorry, Queen, oops, it's Friday. So that was even better. But no matter what time of day it would have been, I would be here because there's so much love when I get here. So I appreciate your family. Keep on doing the outstanding work that you're doing. And it is definitely a blessing for Chatham County to recognize who we be. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Peace and love, everyone.
Thank you, Queen Quarry. always honored to have you join us, and we appreciate all the work you do on behalf of my ancestors, the Gullah Geechee.